guys, we will welcome back to the video. Today we're playing Open Story. And there's a thing that actually just came out. It was I think a long time ago, but it was like a new thing that I haven't heard before. But it was like a secret room somewhere. Interesting. I haven't know where it was, but yeah, today we're gonna do it. Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 9524 to do the new thing. We are currently flying at on a level 33,000 above the sea level. Weather looks good, which means we'll be arriving in no time toward destination. Feel free to board an airplane. Oh, why? So I don't know where it starts. So I think it starts where snakes come. That's where it starts. So I'm gonna try to jump. So then snakes do not sneak me. So it must be here or in the back of right there. Seconds to go into your 15 seconds. Wow. Oh my god. But guys, but make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and if you use Roblox, use the code rating Roblox player. Alright, thank you for your cooperation. Get ready as our crew member. That this has mayo. I hope it's not me that I don't like mayo. I think it's this guy. Oh no! I'm the one that do not like it. I have to respawn with the robots. I'm not feeling good. I'm gonna try to find my badges right now. Wait, this one has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo! Oh no, shoot. It's not in the first class plate, of course. Right under your that was a close one. I was just talking to myself, alright? I was talking to myself. It's okay. Good afternoon to our I inform you we stable. We will be this name is big. I can look. You can see the outside. Yeah. The outside of the plane. Look at the outside of the plane. That's cool. It's actually big. This plane. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. Oh, this guy actually already knows how to do it. Stand on top of your shell. Stand on top of the shell. This guy's already prepared. Oh no! Okay. This is bad. Oh no! It appears that we lost energy. Hang on as you try to fix it. Guys, look! What is that on the right wing? Where's the light? Wait. Oh, it's there. Where can I see it? You will not. Are those ending, guys. So you get in that portal, and then look what happens.